Hello everyone. Today in this video I will discuss the process of integrating Auth 2 with Salesforce using Python. So let me first share with you the client's requirement. The client wanted us to authenticate using Auth 2 on behalf of the user and get the code to generate access underscore token for getting data from the authenticator user. The main purpose of this API is to log in without giving the login credentials using Auth 2 authentication. Before moving on to the demo, let me explain the benefits of integration Auth 2.0 with Salesforce. The integration enables a user to authenticate to a partner application using their Salesforce login credentials. Salesforce issues a refresh token, meaning that even when your access token expires, you can obtain a new one by executing the refresh token flow that will save the user from logging in to Salesforce again. The password credentials will never be shared to any database or a third-party website, and no one will be able to access it or encrypt it. The token that is generated automatically expires after 60 days. Let's now talk about the solutions and the steps to get a response from the API. So for that, the step 1 is to go to the API URL. Next, in step 2, hit an API that generates a code using Postman or search bar. Now for step 3, it automatically hits an author API which generates a code. In step 4, the step 3 will again process to get access underscore token using code generated using Auth 2. In step 5, with the help of this access underscore token, I can access any account details such as accounts data, opportunity data, contacts, etc. Last, in step 6, with all the credentials, we can save all the details of the integrated user in the database. Moving ahead, let me show you the demo. For the integration, we run the server and host the API like this, and then it takes me to the login page of Salesforce. This is basically an Auth 2 integration with Python. So if I log in, it hits the first API that generates the code, and that code will fetch the access token of the second API. So as we see here, the access token and the instance URL, and this is the code. The whole process is, first I created an account on Salesforce using the proper credentials of the user, then I created a connected app in it, and after successfully creating the connected app, I generated the client underscore ID and client underscore secret for getting the code using API. After that, I assigned the redirect underscore URL for the connected app. After hitting the API, I get a response to the code of the auth token as mentioned in the code. That's all about this project. Are you looking to hire the right integration partner that specializes in implementing enterprise-grade solutions for all type of integration needs? ForceBolt, a leading full-stack development company, helps businesses to choose the right integration solution that can be easily scaled, adapt as business requirements change, and empower new business models. At ForceBolt, we deliver the best-in-class software integration services, focusing on creating new business values and improving IT operations. Get in touch with us now.